Welcome back. I'm back in New Jersey.
Dude. What do you think this is? You think you could do this without me?
Well, I'm back in New Jersey and I want to do an intro.
Okay. So you can do it or am I going to do it?
I'll do it. Welcome back, everybody, to Justin Bohn's YouTube channel. I'm Brandon.
I'm Justin.
And we're Team Bohn.
And today we're here, plastic ball only challenge. He's back from college, and this is gonna be the first of many challenge videos that we do. But we got one today. One game match, plastic only. You got any words?
I'm ready to ball. And we have a long list of challenges this summer, and you're not gonna wanna miss it, so.
Cue the intro. Let's go. So today, we're gonna be bowling a one game match with plastic only, first ball and the second ball. One game is gonna win the first of Justin versus Brandon series in our challenge videos. But I gotta ask, Brandon, what are you doing there with your, oh my God, why do you have so much surface on that?
So, I brought out an older plastic ball for today's competition, and I have two of them. I have my new one and my old one, and this one hasn't seen the lane in a while, so it's, you know, it needs some surface, so.
You hit this thing enough?
Good luck.
Thank you. That sounded fantastic going down the lane.
You know what that sounds like, Justin?
What?
Sounds like the roller coaster up the street at Six Flags.
Bro, he's changing balls to shoot a spare. Oh, good start, way to work. I guess college bowling's done him real well in shooting spares. Woo, good start, good start. Much better start than Brandon. 9. Miss?
You need a head start.
Thank you, I appreciate that. That one hit just as hard. Your ball's starting to hit like Dad's.
Yeah.
That's not good. Well, it might have been good 30 years ago if it was hitting like Dad. Hitting like Dad's ball today? Not so much.
All right.
Hey, you got that one. Way to work.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Don't worry, I'm waiting for you to leave one.
I just might not leave one.
You know what I think it is? I think it's this like gouge right here.
I think I'm gonna change different plastic balls. Oh, sorry, was I interrupting you?
No, I didn't say anything that you were interrupting me. But what do you say, ball?
The infamous line goes in right now. 6!
Should I shoot this straight?
Any way you want to miss it.
Thanks. Perfect. Fantastic.
Come on!
Oh my God, he gives you an opening and you missed the spare.
Woo! Come on!
Hey, your spare ball got a little more gougy over here.
You know, it's that different spare ball. You know, it's the pink and blue.
You done yet?
Just getting ready for my next shot.
Okay. That one didn't hook enough. I'm gonna learn a little bit from the last one and move a little right and look at this because I'm not gonna miss this one.
Just wiping all that extra oil off my ball.
Oh, 2. It's fine. It's fine. Double wood with a plastic ball is not the easiest spare in the world. Oh, and Brandon throws it in the gutter here. That's not 0. Get out of here. Good shot, Brandon.
They say, when your opponent gives you an opening, you gotta take it.
Oh. Whatever, it's fine.
Maybe what you need to do
Is you need to wipe all that excess oil off your ball.
with the plastic cover on a T-zone or a blue dot, there's a lot of excess oil on the cover. Maybe you're dropping it, or maybe it's affecting how your ball is going through the pins. Because it's not affecting how mine goes through the pins. Exactly. Exactly. Put that chamois to work. By the way, get your Bohn's Elite trim. By the way, you can get your Bohn's Elite training chamois at
We don't
Bohn's
sell
Elite Training.
chamois.
So, shows how much I've been home recently.
So now that I've hopefully gotten all the oil off it, hopefully it does the right thing. Like, what is this done? So he's gonna start doing it already.
Should have never told him that trick.
Thank you for the tip. Cool, nice. Are you done?
I'm just taking the oil off my ball.
Glad you're doing it over there now. Thanks. Still have life. I'm down 22 at the moment. Need some help. Oh, please don't strike. Are you kidding me?
I'm telling you, it's the chamois. Sorry, I'm just wiping my ball off.
I don't have anything to say.
Good.
It's clearly what you're doing is working, and what I'm doing is not good enough. Oh, thanks. Appreciate that.
Should be good to go.
Thank you. Appreciate
Now,
that.
if you miss, it's not my fault.
Oh, God. Get away with one. Come on! All the pressure on him. Now! Woo. Get out
Come
of
on.
here.
I want that pressure. So put it on me, I'm gonna take it. Come on.
I was not putting the pressure on him. Did not get enough oil off at that time. She's already still, never
Well, I'm still going. So clearly I still haven't gotten it all off yet.
Well, with 2 frames to go, I'm bowling 206, can bowl 226, and I'm down a lot.
I'm telling you, it's that oil that's not on my ball that's making my ball read the lane and look good.
My chamois doesn't work.
I'm telling you, there is too much oil on your ball.
I have to make the spare to be mathematically not shut out. And by mathematically, meaning he goes 0-0, and I strike out. Can I use your ball?
Might roll better for you.
Ball change here. Brandon's old T-zone. Use all that surface, throw it back up. It's gonna do it. Oh my. What the? How did that hook?
That one hooks, I'm telling you.
That was not what I was expecting at all. And well, thank you guys for watching. This match is already over, and it doesn't matter what he just got there because he already shut me out.
I'm gonna go back to the other one real quick and I'm gonna make the spare.
What do you say, ball? 6. Is this legal?
Yeah, it is legal. It did miss a 7 pin in the first frame, so clearly it doesn't work all the time.
Maybe I just needed to throw that one. It's fine. We have plenty of more challenges. Just because I'm down 0-1, it's fine. It's fine. Wait, match is over. Let's find out how the left is. Well, it must not be that good. Who says I still can't throw it one-handed? And well, unfortunately I lost. I got not much left to say.
Hey, great match.
Nice balling, sir. What are you doing?
I'm gonna take my 2 plastic balls and head on out, all right?
Where are you going?
Oh, I'm done for the night. These are the only 2 balls I brought in tonight. So I'll see you at home when you, close all this down, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
Dude. Where are you going?
I'm out. I'm one and done, baby.
You're my ride home.